Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah, but I have MKO All-Rounder.
Thank you for joining us.
A music comedian.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Man declared wanted for crime in KANO joins Nigerian police force. A suspect declared wanted for criminal activities only a few weeks ago, Nasiru Abdullahi aka Chilemedoki, has reportedly joined the Nigerian police force as a police constabulary. Recall that KANO Police Command had placed a bounty of 100,000 naira on Medoki's head only in August. He later turned himself in at the Bompai headquarters of the command on Saturday, August 5th, 2023, and was received by the Kano State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Mohammed Hussein Gumel. In trending pictures, Abdullahi was seen with a senior police officer at one of the police college and training school. According to Sahara reporters, he is among the 10,000 police constabularies undergoing 6-month-long training exercise to enhance community policing across Nigeria. Angry youth attacked SkIT actress during video shooting. A member of Kaduna content creators, Esther Oni, was attacked during a movie shoot in Kaduna State. The incident occurred during a SkIT making session organized by Kaduna content creators in a bid to create awareness about the dangers of jungle justice over the recent cases of manhood disappearance. According to the Vice President of the Actor Guild of Nigeria, AGN, Kaduna State Chapter, Michael Yusuf Michael, angry youths who thought the incident was true attacked the actress while shooting, inflicting wounds on her. Calm was later restored as security operatives intervened. Corps members stabbed to death by phone snatchers in Kaduna. A Corps member identified as Grace was reportedly stabbed to death by phone snatchers in Kaduna State. The incident occurred in the early hours of today in Yusuf Ilia Street, Banawa, Kaduna. According to eyewitness, the Corps member was attacked by 3 boys on a bike who snatched her phone and stabbed her to death. Grace's full identity was not known as at the time of filing these reports. MKO All-Rounder.
Thank you.
A man that has been declared wanted in KANO for criminal acts has now joined the Nigerian police force.
So this thing has been happening, and we are seeing what is. That is why you see all these vices of insecurity will not be over so soon, because when you are saying that the bandit has repentant and you put him straight into our system, security system, you put it straight to police and the army, what do you expect?
And you arm them.
And you arm them.
Officially.
And you arm them.
Officially.
You understand? So now this guy has been declared wanted, and later they now put him in the police force. Now he's don't become a police officer. This thing always happen, and I see another thing that many these police constabularies, they don't used to give them salary or so. I wonder how, when you have, there's many police now in Nigeria system, especially in the north, can see them, they give them uniform, police uniform. They call them constabulary. They give them police uniform.
They have allowances.
But they don't give them salary. They don't base them on salary. They just give them the police force. And now we know we are Nigerian. When you can have a police uniform and they harm you, then you turn yourself to a kidnapper. You turn yourself to a thief. Burglary. Many things that is happening here, especially in the north, we take our hand, draw it.
Even when they are operating on banditry, MKO, sometimes you see some of the bandits with the police uniform and military uniform.
Yes, they use it for cover up. But this one that Nigeria will give someone that you are not putting those ones on salary, you just give them the police uniform because you are talking of state policing or whatever.
Yes,
they are calling it state policing, and you don't base them on salary. You just give them police uniform for cover up. You know, Nigeria, the mentality of we Nigeria and the system too, that the hunger is everywhere, and these people they have family to cater for, so they will turn to themselves. They will do illegal roadblock. They will do so many things, atrocity. They will turn it to committing crime in the police uniform. So I wonder. Well, I wonder why this system change, or who advised the government on this, because very soon we'll be hearing that Oluomo has been put into Nigeria police, and Asari Tokunbo has even bringing repentant Asari Tokunbo as put into Nigeria military. So this system, because I don't see where this insecurity will soon be the things of the past. It will not be the things of the past very soon, because the way I'm seeing things now, the way government is going about it, the insecurity, they have to put more effort. They have to put their thinking cap to know, because all this bringing repentant criminal into the security system, I don't think it's good for the country.
All now, right. MK, thank you very much. Angry youths attack SkIT actress during video shooting.
Now, they were talking about manhood lost there, and they want to let people, they want to create awareness. There's nothing called manhood disappearance. It can never happen. Now, let me come from the angle of the awareness that they are creating, is that there's nothing like a manhood disappearance. We have been hearing it from decades. There's research on it. We never see where truly manhood disappears. No, sir. Let me come from the traditional belief as a babalawo. Let me come as a babalawo. Now, there's no how. Let anybody that's hearing me prove me wrong. There's no how any medicine that you can use to disappear either your eyes, nose, teeth, hand, manhood, or whatever. It can never happen. The only thing you use physical thing, like you use cutlass, knife, and other things. But spiritually, you disappear an organ in a body of human being. It can never happen. We won't let people be aware. Nothing, no medicine can disappear your organ. No medicine. Please have it in mind. When you hear it also, please don't do jungle justice. It's very bad if you have killed human being and later you find out that the thing is not happening. What do you do? How do you feel? So it's not good. Now to this SkIT writer makers, now they attack them. This is how people used to attack. They didn't know that they are acting. They didn't know that they are acting. But when they thought maybe it's real. That is why you see people understand what is going in our sense mind is that when you hear such news that hey, he has disappeared man, the next thing is to do jungle justice. Please. Understand? Nothing. I still maintain it. Nothing can disappear your organ. Please, when you hear that news, let's don't act as don't
take laws into your hands.
Take law into your hands. Please. So,
all right. 4 members stabbed to death by phone snatchers in Kaduna.
First, I have to warn especially women and the
young girls.
The youngest. When you are on road, please keep your phone. So many girls, you will see them on the road pinging their phone. They stand on the road. You know now, you know what is happening in the country, the insecurity. Some guys will take advantage, especially the roads that is not
very busy.
They will take advantage attacking you. You carry iPhone, you carry a big phone, you are picking a phone on the road where the road is deserted. No, it's not cloudy. You understand? The temptation of a hoodlum to attack you is high. Do you understand? So I want to talk to the youth, please, especially where you are on road, you are even in a vehicle. It's not ideal for you. Anything you want to do on your phone, let it be in your house, in your office. You understand? Not in the motor or on the road.
On top of bike.
On top of bike. Now, this thing happened to this lady. I think it's a call member. He was attacked by motorbike guys, and she was stabbed to death, and they killed her because of what? Because of phone. And you can see most of youth, just my observation, most of if you look at the shoemakers, the irrigation sellers, all these hawkers, wheelbarrow pushers now, let them show you their phone. You will see them using big phone. Where did they get that big phone? The phone of 100,000, 200,000, a barrow pusher will be using it. A shoemaker will be using it. I used to see. You see them. So they collected this thing mostly from all these young guys on the road. That's what I've been seeing this thing. So that's why I'm making that advice. Okay. Please, if you want to use your phone in a safer environment. So may her soul rest in peace.
Yes. Thank you. Rest on grace. Thank you very much, MKO, for coming to Trending today, a music comedian.
Thank you very much. I want you to like our program and share it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching us on Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah. Keep shining like the star you are.